Hi guys, here we are at TJ Maxx. Let's take a look at the furniture, guys. So look at this. I think this table here flips open. And this flip top table is $190. That's reduced from $199. Isn't that a pretty table, guys? Let me show it to you. And that's very pretty. This basket on the bottom here is $9.99. That's what that looks like. I like that. That's so pretty. So it seems like they have a couple of these tables. Very pretty, guys. So then they have these chairs. So these chairs, guys, are $39.99. And I think this gray one is too. Thomasville. This one is falling off, guys. So there's the black one and there's the gray one. Let me see if the gray one is the same price. $39.99. So you have this style here, and then you have this black one over here. Those are $39.99. Let me show you what's back here. Oh, look at this. I like that flower pot. That's $19.99 for that. So then they have this chair right here, guys, for $79.99. And then this one here is $99. $99.99. And then so they have two of those and two of these. Kenneth Cole. Look how humongous that piece of luggage is. It doesn't weigh anything though. That's what's nice about it. So this piece of luggage is $72. Then you have this one here, Reaction, Kenneth Cole. And that one is reduced to $64. And look at that one back there, Sharper Image. And then what's the tag? That one was reduced to $48, guys. They have this one over here, which is Olympia. That one is $49, $49.99. And then this Lucas, $48. So all of this stuff over here, guys, all of these luggage pieces are on sale and they're reduced. So you see this mirror right here? That humongous mirror is $29.99. Then you have these shelf sets right here. Look at this shelf set, guys. I like that. That's $19.99. And then look at the rugs. So here's another shelf set. I'm not sure if I see the price on that. I don't want to knock this over, guys, because that's up high. But I didn't even know these throw rugs are so nice. So I don't see a price on them. Let me see around the other side. You see this ladder? Oh my goodness. I'm loving that ladder. That is gorgeous. That is reduced to $39, guys. Look at the detail on that. I love that ladder. You would never have seen it. It's up against that this where they have the display of the rugs. So this throw rug here is $29.99. So they kind of thrown some of this one here is $39.99. So I guess it depends on the size, guys. This drink container right here is made in India. So I'm trying to see if I can find a price for you guys, but I don't see one. But look at this one. This one doesn't okay, this one does have a price. This is $6.99. That's kind of cute. Then you have this. Isn't that pretty, guys? I'm loving that detail. So, okay, I'm not seeing a price on that, but that's a beautiful piece. So then look at this. This is a camper, guys. A flag camper. That's $16.99. And then look at this wood piece. That is gorgeous. Okay, so that, thank goodness I don't have to pick it up. $24.99. Then you have this little Kate Spade. Guys, you see that? Kate Spade. Little cute little dining set. Let me see. Their little set is $12.99. That's gorgeous. So then they have this grilling pan. That's $9.99. And they have this piece right here for utensils. That's $4.99. And I like that piece right there. Let me go see what that is. Here it is over here too. So these are flags, guys, and they're tied together on these branches. That's $7.99 just for the flags. And then these are the wire baskets I was showing you over there. Isn't that adorable? You can put your utensils to take outside. And then here is the bee butter dish. Guys, I don't dare pick up the whole thing because it's so big. Let me see. So that's $6.99 for that. Then you have your burlap ribbon and the flag. Very nice, guys. So they have these dishes. These are melamine. And they're for in a pack. I'm trying to see the Molino, New York, and that's $9.99 for the 4-pack. Then you have these tumblers. Look at those dogs, aren't they adorable? $3.99. Then you have this orchid, $12.99. Isn't that adorable? Then here's the Nautica, but melamine plates, and that is 5. I think it's 5 in a pack. It's probably 4 in a pack because I think one is loose. Yes, 4 in a pack. Let me see. Those are $9.99. Then these guys are watermelon. Aren't those adorable, guys? And now those are $3.99. Then they have the set of 4. Okay, these are plastic. Okay, and they have fish on them. They're cute. They're Nautica, and they're $7.99. And then here's some more watermelon. I like these tumblers. They're so cute. CNC California, and those are $7.99. So you have this set here. Isn't that gorgeous? And there it is in the beige. So this is Tommy Bahama, and that's a 4-piece set, $7.99. So it looks like each of them 4-piece set are $7.99. Well, no, these are reduced to $6, guys. Let me see. These are the salad plates. Let me see how much the dinner plates are reduced to. No, these are not reduced. These are $9.99. Maybe that's a mistake. I'm not sure. So then they have these. They have that kind, and then they have this kind. These are so cute, guys. $7.99. And then look at this. This is a ceramic mug, $3. Very pretty, guys. This is a wooden hot plate. I like that. It has lemons on it, guys. So how much is that? That's $9.99. Then they have one over here. I like that detail, $6.99. And then look at the birdhouse. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Let me see how much that is. I don't see the oh, wait a minute. It's back here. $9.99. These are gorgeous, guys. And I'm loving that peony arrangement. So that peony arrangement, $19.99. Okay, and then they have these kind. What is that? The bee house. Okay, so this is $12.99. Isn't that pretty, guys? They have another one of those arrangements, and then look at these, $9.99. And then this ceramic pot, guys. I love this, made in Vietnam. I don't see a tag on it, guys. There's another one of those arrangements. I like this. Let's see how much that is. $12.99. Here's some beach totes. Let's see how much those are. Oh, look at this one. This one has the bicycle, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so those are $5.99. Those are like those beach bags. And then you have some of these. Are these felt or is this wood? No, these are wood, $19.99 for those. Okay, guys, thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx just to browse through some of their stuff. And I will see you guys in another video.